Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone button panel, but here on this panel you can mute ringtone and also your notifications, because when we'll just mute this bottom panel, as you can see, we get the enable the silent mode, and the silent mode means that your notifications and ringtones or calls, they are muted. So I suggest you to go by the another way to don't mute the ringtones. So you should go here to the default notification sound and switch your currently notification sound to the none, and tap here on the right upper corner to done. And by this way you can mute your notifications, but you'll stay with the ringtones. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.